using AI images for my videos. Well, I'm talking like it's not a black screen like early times. It's not a just a picture, like repeated pictures of a sky. Some of them are good, but it's repetitive. I found out that ChatGPT here, I don't have plus even, you actually can, what is called, generate pictures. So, usually I'm using a preset template that I invented after some trials and failures, and this is good, remove that, delete that, add this, After that, I reached a template that I paste it from my clipboard, and I just write whatever I want, and not whatever I want. I can write it, but ChatGPT have a strict rules about religious and sexual stuff, so I don't want that. Let's try it. So this is the what is it? What template? This is the template. There are multiple genres in painting, like surrealism, cubism, portraiture. I like portraiture, like still life. Still life is about decorating stuff and objects like fruits and like plates, and landscape, like a landscape of a farm, multiple things, like animal, like just painting animals. This time I want portraiture. Sorry. This painting, I wanted to show. Let me see. It shows. I don't like painting of animals. Let's see. Yo. It shows a sweet, like 3-year-old girl, 30. I guess so. I don't know, 20. Let's see, not 20. It's 10. I don't. 30, 20, 10. I don't know. I guess 30 is enough. 25. 10. Nope. Let me actually concentrate. Look, I don't want a young woman. I don't want an adult. I want either middle age. Middle age is good. I don't want an old woman. I don't want an infant. I don't want a kid. I want pre-teenager, 10, 11. Let's say 11. And the image, the painting has wholesome vibes, It shows a sweet 11 years old girl. 11 is too, let me see, 55. Because I want a middle age, sweet 55. Sweet 55. I think a 55 years old human isn't sweet, But let's give it a try. It's a woman, it's not a girl. Woman, yep. Yeah, wholesome vibes. Let's go. Yep. Okay. Okay. Sometimes it just says it's just saying it's against my rules. I can do it, but I'ma say to it, yo, it's just a picture of it, some normal picture. Don't worry. Okay, okay. Like yo, I hope nobody interrupt me. Like talk or just make a sound, cause yo, yo. Okay, yo. Whoa, whoa. Oh, 55. Sweet 55 years old. Yeah, yeah. This is it. Right, let me. So this is it. Right. Okay. Yeah, she's sweet, yep. Yeah, she's like a mom, like a kind mom. Yeah, this way is the way I generate my images. I use AI images because it is helping me so much. I don't have to just use repetitive sky images of just sky or some. And yeah, thank you for watching my videos and interacting with my channel. Thank you. Um, yeah, thank you again. And goodbye.